Hello, I'm Yijun from the University of Tokyo. Today I'm going to present the paper Interactive Exploration-Exploitation Balancing for Generative Melody Composition. In this work, we investigate a new approach to enhance the melody generation with deep models, allowing users to control the sampling behavior in order to generate their desired melody. So we've seen many deep music generative models such as GAN, BAE. We also know the challenges of sampling on the latent space is that it can be unintuitive and high dimensional. Thus, we proposed an approach in our previous work. We iteratively ask users to compare multiple melody candidates sampled on a one-dimensional subspace and to select their preferred one by human-in-the-loop Bayesian optimization. This work was published before. We hope users can control the sampling behavior to make it consistent with the creative process, combining the exploration and exploitation. Thus, in this work, we investigate this approach. Our system is a web-based application implemented with React and Python. We use MIDI to transfer all the musical data. We have a short video to introduce this interaction.
The candidate the user selected is shown in the editing region. We suppose the user prefer the melody in the editing region to the other unselected candidates. Before going to next iteration, the user can slide the Exploration-Exploitation slider. If they slide to Exploitation, they will see candidates in the next iteration more similar to the selected candidate. If they slide to Exploration, they will see candidates in the next iteration more different to the selected candidate. In this way, the user can go on the iteration and iteration until they find the desired melody.
So I will introduce the algorithms and implementations. So in the backend, we used a pre-trained music VAE model for melody generation whose latent space is 512 dimension. Well, 512 is too large, which means we could not make the Bayesian optimization work effectively. Thus, we have the dimension reduction technique in our system as our previous work. As for the problem formulation, we represent melodies following a Gaussian distribution. We achieved the setting of exploration-exploitation balance by setting the beta in the GPUCB, which is selected as the acquisition function of Bayesian optimization. It is shown in the formula 2. So we conducted a user study to prove the effectiveness of our method. We want to show it can improve user experience and satisfaction in comparison with the auto mode, which is our previous method and also considered as a baseline. We followed within subject design with counterbalancing. We found participants preferred our new method. 11 out of 12 select our new method. According to the result of Creative Support Index, we found that statistically significant in enjoyment, exploration, expressiveness, results versus efforts, and the overall score. So let's come to the conclusions. In this project, we demonstrated that the interactive exploration-exploitation balancing was effective in generative melody composition, and it could enhance the user's control and engagement, inspire their creativity, and help them express themselves better. We also found participants were more satisfied with the results found by our new method. Okay, thank you for your listening.